a foot race, and Ronaldo has got there first. Ramani bars his way to goal! But it is Berg.
It's Ronaldo.
Under it. It is the perfect ending to the perfect night.
Ronaldo, that's better. Oh, that's a whole lot better. It's an absolute belter. And it's 2-0 Manchester United, who are in danger of getting out of sight before the game's a quarter of an hour old.
Good morning everyone. Today I'm very excited to interview a world famous football player. He is known for his hard work, discipline and strong mentality. Many young people see him as a role model. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome Cristiano Ronaldo.
Thank you for having me. I am happy to be here today and to share my story with you and everyone watching this interview.
Cristiano, people know you as a superstar now, but your life was not easy at the beginning. Can you tell us about your childhood and how football became part of your life?
I was born in Madeira, Portugal. My family lived a simple life and we did not have much money. When I was young, I played football in the streets with my friend every day. Football made me happy and helped me forget about problems.
Oh, when you were young, did you already dream becoming a professional football player, or was it just a hobby at first?
At first, it was just a game, but slowly I started to dream bigger. I want to be a professional football player and help my family. Football became my goal and my motivation.
You are famous for your discipline. Many people say that discipline is your biggest strength. What does discipline mean to you?
Discipline means doing what you must do even when you feel tired or lazy. It means training every day, eating healthy food, and focus on your goal. Without discipline, talent is useless.
Can you explain your daily training routine and how you prepare your body and mind for some matches?
I wake up early and train my body with running and gym exercise. Then I training my football skills like shooting and passing. I also rest well and eat healthy food. I prepare my mind by thinking positively.
You have won many trophies and awards and matches in your career, right? How do you feel when you achieve a success?
Success makes me proud, but it also brings responsibility. People expect more from you when you are successful. It is good feeling, but it also pushes me to work harder.
With success comes pressure. How do you handle pressure from fans, media, and family and expectation?
Pressure is part of football. I accept it as a challenge. Is I use pressure as motivation and focus on my performance on the field, not on negative comment.
Every athlete faces failure. Can you share how you deal with losing matches or making mistakes in your?
Failure is painful, but it also a lesson. When I lose or make mistakes, I try to learn from them. I ask myself how I can improve and become better next time.
In your career, have you ever felt tired or wanted to give up because of difficulties?
I felt tired many times, but I never wanted to give up. I always remember my dream and my family. They gave me strength to continue.
Your family is often mentioned as an important part of your life. How does your family support you in football?
My family gives me emotional strength. My mother believed in me from the beginning. My children give me happiness and motivation to keep going.
How do you balance your career as a football player with your personal life and family time?
It is not easy, but I try to manage my time well. When I am with my family, I forget about football and enjoy being a father and a son.
Many young people look up to you as a role model. How do you feel about having that responsibility as a superstar football?
It is a big responsibility. I want young people to understand that success that does not come from luck but from hard work and discipline.
What advice would you give to young people who want to become an athlete or achieve big dreams like do you do?
I would say believe in yourself, train harder than others, be patient and respect your parents and teachers.
You look very confident on the field. Where does your mental strength come from?
My mental strengths come from experience. I learn from winning and losing. I train my mind to stay positive and focused.
What are your goals for the future, both in football and your personal life or family?
I want to keep playing football and inspiring young people. I also want to help young players grow and become better athletes.
What do you want people to remember about Cristiano Ronaldo in the future?
I want people to remember me as a hard worker who never gave up and always tried his best.
What message would you like to give to students and young people who are watching this interview today with Cristiano?
Don't be afraid to dream big. It does not matter where you start. What matters is your effort and your attitude.
Thank you so much, Cristiano Ronaldo, for sharing your story and your inspiring words with us today.
Thank you for inviting me. I hope my story can motivate young people to work hard and never give up.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was our interview with Cristiano Ronaldo. We learned that success comes from discipline, hard work, and strong mentality. Thank you for watching.